Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot OPPO A5x. So the process is really easy and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So the only thing that we need to do is to simply hold on the power button, just like that, and now the power menu appears. Now drag this white ball using your finger into the upside. It's the restart method. Now simply release your finger. Now let's wait a few seconds. Now the OPPO logo disappeared from the screen, and within a few seconds the device will be turned on automatically and it will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.